right, good morning, guys. I'm out here today helping my uncle and cousin out. They got a little small brush cutting excavating business, all in their brush cutting and excavating. Kind of helping them out. I have not left Dirt Perfect. I'll never do that, but they needed a little help, and it was something new. I'm in a cat today, cat skid steer, and we're mulching today. And where we're mulching at, we put the brush cutter on the front, and we're gonna see what it'll do. I have been playing around a little bit with it. I've never ran one, so I've been playing around with it. I'm kind of getting it down, so I'll get you guys set up, and we'll get a view on. I got Cade, my cousin. He is up there in the Mini right now. He's going ahead and he's getting everything thrown out for me, so I can just run straight into the pile and start brushing it up, but mulching it up. But we'll get you guys set up, and we'll see what we can do. Alright, guys, I'm getting caught up now, getting all the piles knocked down. What Cade's doing right now, you can see he's grabbing all the tops that they don't want to save. He's gonna bunch them all up. Once he gets them bunched up, then I can come in and I can start mulching them. What we're thinking we're gonna do, I'm gonna get that pile over there on the other side of him. And once I get done with that, then I'm gonna help him. I'm just gonna start sawing and let him pick them up, and I'll cut the tops off. That way it'll save him from getting in and out, and it'll get him caught up a little bit so I can keep on mulching. Got a tree cutting crew up above. Basically all the trees, I don't know if you can see, but the ones marked with orange we're saving, and then the ones we gotta take are all marked with X's. So there's still a lot of trees left to cut, but we're just gonna kind of work our way down through this valley. All right, I'm gonna let you guys sit up front now, kind of show you what I'm doing here. I know there's a bunch of ways and somebody's gonna tell me I'm doing it wrong or I'm doing it right, but what I've been doing is kind of eating it slow. So I'll come into the tree. One of them things, slow is better. Slow is fast, fast is slow. So I eat down, you get down to the limbs, I get them limbs down. Basically all I got is the tree left to get in. It makes it a little bit easier, I found. plug it down, and I'm just going to try to beat around a little bit on it. Well, hey, Kate.
Another day.
Ready to call her quits?
Oh, yeah.
Or you want to go another 12 hours?
No, not another 12.
All right. Well, we got a pretty good run at it. Looking pretty good. Cleared out. I could have probably done a little bit better on the mulching, but other than that, got what, probably 100 yards done?
Oh, yeah.
100, maybe a little more than 100 yards, but I think we're gonna call it a wrap, go home and eat supper. Y'all have a good one. All right, back for day 2. Got all the rough mulching done. What I'm gonna do today is try to go through and find the mulch up just a little bit by myself today, so figured it'd be a good time to get everything fine mulched up. We're gonna bring the grapple out for the skid steer and start moving logs, but I got plenty of work to do without that. And I think we're just gonna try to fine mulch everything up. It is a little wet. It is still down below 32 degrees, so everything's froze pretty good. So I'm thinking that we'll be all right. First thing I gotta do is finish greasing up on the cat. Ran out of grease yesterday. You kind of see everything's kind of iced over right now, so letting everything get thawed out. Running the Cat 299D2 XHP. Here's a kind of a look of the brush cutter on the front. It has this door right here that'll close, and I'm hoping that'll help me fine mulch everything up, try to keep everything inside so it'll actually roll around a couple times and mulch everything up a little bit finer. I know yesterday I was just taking the big stuff down, try and get it mulched up, and today I'm gonna come back and give it a shot. I'm also gonna see how it does on these stumps. I'm gonna see if I can get these stumps ground down too. That'll be something else I'm gonna try today while I'm messing around in this thing. All right, well, I'm gonna get everything greased up so we can get going. Oh, hand grease gun. Forgot the battery powered grease gun at the shop, so I got a hand grease today. All right, you can can see how I'm fine mulching it up here. You can see all the bigger stuff there. I'll get out and kind of show you what I'm doing. Give you a kind of look at what's going on. So what I'm doing is mulching it up real fine. They're gonna leave it lay. They are getting some of it picked up that they need to use somewhere, but you can see how much finer I'm getting it now. When I went through doing the rough cut, just try and chew everything up, you can kind of see the bigger pieces. You know, it's got pieces like this, and what we're going for is more like this right here. So in here I haven't got yet. It's real tricky running that brush cutter in these little ravines and little valleys, getting down in these valleys like this. I ain't gonna lie, it sucks. But I kind of went around the outside, dressed the edges up, is what I did down to this point here. What I'm gonna concentrate on is this little square area from where these trees are marked here, and then up to where the mini's setting up there, and try to get all this done first. And then after I get that, then I'll move on. It's wet. I was slipping pretty bad over in this area here where it's just getting a little too wet. I'm losing traction, can't stay going. So what I might do is jump on the other side of the mini and start dressing that up that I had cut down yesterday. And I think what I'm gonna try to do, I'm just gonna play around. I'm gonna get down on some of these trees and see if I can take one of these trees down with this thing, see how it does. So hopefully I can get a video of that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put you in and let you guys go for a ride. All right, so that's kind of an overlook. I don't want to do a bunch of filming on just doing the brushing like this, mulching it up finer, but kind of get the picture how it mulches it up and gets it cleaned up. I got a lot of areas to do, so I'll video some more. Probably try to get another good video of, I'll find a stump for you guys, and I'm gonna grind a stump down, and like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and take a tree down. I'm gonna pick me a tree out with a wide X and take one down with it. They say it'll take it down. I've never tried it, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Hopefully it all goes good. All right, right up here we got a stump. I know you can't tell there. It's about 12 to 13 inch stump. Pull up a little bit, see if I can get a better view at it without blocking you guys out. Alright, that's about as far as I'm gonna be able to go. This thing, I'm flinging mud and everything else all over the camera, but we're gonna go ahead and attempt to take that stump down to the ground. What I did is, it's at a slope, so I'm trying to stay with the slope, so when I take that stump down, it stays with the slope too. That's why I'm kind of at a weird angle here, but get you guys set up and we'll take that stump down. All right, guys, this tree right here is the one I'm going to try to take down, because all them trees in front of it are coming down. I just want to try one real quick, see how it works. I'm sure it's quicker with a chainsaw, but somebody telling me it'll do it, I got to try it. So I'll get you guys set up and we'll see if we can take it down. All right, guys, I was taking a tree down with that brush cutter, and went ahead, took it down, chipped it up, and then mulched it up. Just show you how it works if you wanted to take one down. Yeah, I agree, it'd go a lot quicker if you took it down with a chainsaw, but I had to try it when they told me that it would take one down. So I'm probably going to wrap up on this video here. I don't know when I'll be back out again. I think I'm heading back in the shop to work on the project. So anyways, you can see here how fine I got it mulched up. I mulched it up real good, just about like you would get at a hardware store or a place to get mulch. But got this area all done. Only thing left to do is pull the logs out. I think they're gonna pull the logs out if it freezes. It's just a little too wet to get in here. So y'all have a good one. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.